This is Project Pearl, a beautiful Land Rover Defender 110 by E.C.D. Finished in classic Old English white, but beneath the elegance lives raw power. Underneath its tailored colour is a 455 horsepower Chevrolet LT1, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless authority in every gear. Light pours in through double panoramic glass, a cabin designed not just to travel, but to transport. Inside, Porsche Nappa leather wraps every surface. French oak wood meets hydro-dipped orange grain. From the custom satchels to the center console's cooled grooves, every detail is crafted by hand. Every touch tells a story. Even the rear step carries French oak slats, mirroring the floors inside because luxury shouldn't stop at the threshold. With Alcon high-performance brakes, E.C.D air ride suspension, and 20-inch Kahn retro Mondial wheels, Project Pearl is a vehicle that earns reverence. Modern intelligence hides within the vintage shell. When it comes to modern comforts, nothing's been forgotten, everything's been considered. Project Pearl, built by hand, designed by a legacy, made for the road ahead.